Netflix is a great example of this because when they first came out, they were the only people in town. I mean, you think about it, before we would rent movies through Blockbuster, right? And for people that don't know, Blockbuster actually had an opportunity to be the first Netflix. And they turned that down and said, hey, nobody's going to want to have movies mailed to them and have to mail it back. Netflix like, cool, I'll do it. And for a long, long time, they were the only streaming company. And then so now that there's competition, that you're starting to see Netflix lose subscribers. Does this happen with your business? Or right now, are you just killing it? And you're not thinking about the future, that's going to catch up to you. So it's always important to be in the present, but at the same time, notice the trends that are happening in your industry and trying to stay ahead of it.